It's the middle of winter, it's cold outside, but now is the time to plan for your next successful garden. Hello and welcome to another LifeOnOurHomestead.com gardening video. My name is John, and if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow a successful garden, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Even though we're in the middle of winter, now is the time to start planning for the next season. If you're starting seeds indoors, that starts in a couple of weeks. Then you have early season crops, and then next thing, before you know it, you'll be in the middle of the gardening season. So now is the time to plan so you don't miss any key dates on your timeline. In this video series, I'm going to give you the 4 keys to growing a successful backyard garden. If you're a first-time or beginner gardener, this series is for you. Please comment below if this is your first time gardening and ask any questions that I might be able to answer. I'll feature those in an upcoming Q&A video. The first key to success is research. Understanding your microclimate and knowing what will grow and what will not, and then identifying the plants that you want to grow and especially the vegetables that your family will eat. So in the first part of this series, we'll cover the research to understand and know your garden better. The second key to success is planning. Before the ground thaws, you need to have a plan in place. Soon it'll be spring and then it'll be summer and key deadlines will be passed. So in the second part of the video series, we're going to cover some tools and some strategy to help you plan your next successful garden. Next key to success is execute. Now this may seem obvious that you need to grow your garden. But when things get busy in the summer with vacations and soon the weeds start taking over your garden, you need to have a strategy and a plan in place in order to cope with this and bring your garden to a successful harvest. In the third part of the series, we're going to cover some strategies that you can plan on now so in the summer you can have a successful garden. The fourth key to success is evaluate. Horticulturist Larry Sager's always taught us in our class that the dullest pencil is better than the sharpest mind. Now I know gardening journaling is not the highest of the priorities or the most exciting thing to do in your garden. However, if you document your garden throughout the year, you'll be able to use this information planning next year's garden and become even more successful. So in the fourth part of the series, we're going to talk about some tools to help you evaluate and garden journal. I hope you'll enjoy this gardening series. Please leave a comment below and let me know. Also, please go to LifeOnOurHomestead.com and join up for our newsletter. If you want to learn more about how to grow a successful backyard garden, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Now go enjoy your garden, and I'll see you next time.